How far do you plan on running?
You're the one who is chasing after me.
Hold on a sec.
I'm so hungry. I can't smell a thing. Give me it!
If you wanted that bad, I'll happily trade you this for your Amorphous.
I just can't do it!
Well then. Oh man, this sure is good.